Curved display smartphones carry a premium look and feel, but can it be the only feature that influences your decision to buy a smartphone? Lava is known to deliver some decent smartphones in the budget category, and after the launch of Lava Agni 2, the brand is going all in with not so common features in under Rs 20,000 with their Lava Blaze Curve, and we got our hands on the device. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video we share our first look at the latest Lava Blaze Curve. So let's get started. The Lava Blaze Curve is priced at Rs 17,999 for the base 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of storage option, and Rs 18,999 for the higher spec 256GB of storage option with the same amount of RAM. It comes in two color options, Viridian Glass, and the one that we have is the Iron Glass color option. The smartphone sports a matte finished back panel that uses Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 that does not attract any fingerprints, with the 3-camera setup on the rear that includes the primary 64-megapixel camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera along with the flash. It sports darkened chrome-finished side rails with the power button, volume buttons on the left, USB Type-C charging port, SIM slot, microphone, speaker grille at the bottom, and another speaker grille and a noise-cancelling microphone at the top. Lava Blaze Curve sports a 6.67-inch 3D curved Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate that has a hole punch cutout for the 32-megapixel front camera. The display also houses an in-display fingerprint sensor. It has a peak brightness of up to 600 nits. On the performance front, the Lava Blaze Curve uses the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC and runs on Android 13 in 2024, which might be a downside. It uses a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged with the bundled 33-watt charger. Stay tuned to our website to know more about the smartphone. Do let us know what you think of the Lava Blaze Curve in the comments. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.